Focus Concrete Batching Plant provides optimal solution for plant owners running a concrete plant under budget. We have turnkey solutions to help our clients start highly profitable plants from budgeting, purchasing, assembling, commissioning, all the way to managing. As a leading supplier of concrete batching plants, Focus Machinery is committed to providing our customers with the highest quality equipment and services. Our plants are designed and manufactured using the latest technology and engineering standards, ensuring they're capable of meeting the requirements of even the quite demanding projects. Focus Machinery is a manufacturer of compact-designed concrete mixing plants suitable for all construction site applications, residential buildings, gyms, water dam, roads, bridges, etc. We produce ready-mix batch plant with capacity of 60 cubic meters, 90 cubic meters, 120 cubic meters, 50 cubic meters, 35 cubic meters, 180 cubic meters, 480 cubic meters per hour to cater to your project needs. We have single shaft, twin shaft, and planetary vertical shaft which cover a wide range of concrete mixing demand. Focus ready-mix concrete plant have characteristics of heavy duty, great flexibility and mobility, accurate weighing for cement, water, additive, sand, and different aggregates,